Am I audible or visible? Hello? I think I am visible and audible also. So, let's start our class. Welcome to Ghore Boshe Shikhi. I think, my dear students, you are very much well because you are staying at home. I am also good. Nice to see you again. So, I am here with you for grade 5 students, subject English, and grade unit 16, lesson 5 and page 64. Okay. So, before going to start our class, we want to before going to start our class, sorry for disturbing. Before going to start our class, I want to do something. Do you like? I think you like, because we want to remove our monotonous and refresh our mind. To refresh our mind, I write down here some, you can see some sentences for you. You also make by your own self. Now I try to sing and you also sing with me. Okay. I am Mohesh, I am from Bangladesh. I am Mohesh, I am from Bangladesh. I speak Bengali, but just like as you. I am Mohesh, I am from Bangladesh. I speak Bengali, but just like as you. I am Bindia, I am from India. I am Bindia, I am from India. I speak Hindi, I speak Hindi, but just like as you. I am Nehal, I am from Nepal. I am Nehal, I am from Nepal. I speak Nepali, but just like as you. Again. I am Mohesh, I am from Bangladesh. I speak Bengali, but just like as you. I am Bindia, I am from India. I am Bindia, I am from India. I speak Hindi, but just like as you. I am Nehal, I am from Nepal. I speak Nepali, but just like as you. I want to delete our racism from the world. So I write down by my own self. You also write down from your own self. Okay. You learn from this sentence entry's name and some person's name also. Because we want a peaceful world. So, thank you so much. How do you feel? Do you like? Yes, you will say you like this. Now, have a look. What can you see in the screen? Please. Yes, it is a bird. It is a bird. Okay. This is a bird. Now, again look at the screen. What have you seen in the picture? Some birds are flying in the sky. Some birds are flying in the sky. You can see the picture, some birds are flying the sky. Because today's our lesson is try to guess. Here is some bird. This is the string. This is a piece of paper. By making the paper, the birds are hanging in the string. So our lesson is birds on string. Birds on where? String. Today's our lesson is birds on string. Our topic is birds on string. Okay. Dear students, now I want to show you real object. This is a hanger. This is a hanger. And this is a scissor. And this is a glue. This is a glue. And this is string. This is string. And this is the color of papers. This is the color of papers. Because we need this to making birds of a string. Today we will also read and making the birds of a, we will make the birds of a string. So we need these elements: papers, hanger, string, scissor and glue. Like this, we make a bird like this. Okay. So you can see also, as you can see, hanger, 3 pieces color of papers, scissor, glue and string. We make a bird like this. We make a bird, 3 birds like this. So we need 3 pieces of paper. So try to learn some new words. As you can see, first one is string. First one is string. So pronounce with me string. So spell with me S-T-R-I-N-G. S-T-R-I-N-G. Repeat with me string. Repeat with me string. Now have a look the sentence. We move the sentence. To tie something we need string. To tie something we need string. Another word, another picture is second one. What is this? Hanger. Now pronounce with me hanger. H-A-N-G-E-R. Hanger. H-A-N-G-E-R. Hanger. We hang clothes in the hanger. We hang clothes in the hanger. Now third one is glue. Put glue on one side of a bird. On one side of a bird. Glue means atha. You know this. Glue. Put glue on one side of a bird. Okay. Now have a look the next screen. Inside. What is this? These words is inside. Please pronounce with me inside. I-N-S-I-D-E. Inside. Please pronounce with me inside. I-N-S-I-D-E. Inside. The toy is inside the box. What is this? This is a toy. This is a box. The toy is inside the box. Now, next, trace. What is this? Trace. T-R-A-C-E. Trace means ফুটা ফুটা করে দাগ দিয়ে কোনো কিছু এঁকে নেওয়া তার মতো similarly. Trace this bird twice. How many times? Twice. Twice means দুইবার. Trace. T-R-A-C-E. Repeat with me. Trace. T-R-A-C-E. Trace this bird twice. Across. You can see, as you can see in the picture, this is a road. This is a red color. This is a across. Par hua. Ara-ari. Par hua. Across. A-C-R-O-S-S. Across. Please pronounce with me. Across. A-C-R-O-S-S. Across. Please pronounce with me. Across. Never across the road alone. Please be careful. Never across the road alone. Okay. Inside, trace, across. The toy is inside the box. The trace these birds twice. Never across the road alone. Now, dear students, this is the topic, this is the text. I will read and also try to, please you also think how to make birds on a string. You will try at your home, okay, after the class. Now I want to read out this text. Please listen carefully and read with me also, because you have to make these birds on a string. Birds on strings, the topic's name. Make birds on string. You will need a hanger, 3 pieces of string. How many pieces? 3 pieces. How many pieces? 3 pieces. 3 pieces of colored paper. How many papers? You need 3 pieces of papers. 1 scissors and glue. 1 scissors and glue. As you can see as well in your book. Number 1. Trace these birds twice on each piece of paper. Cut down the birds. Draw an eye on each. Again I read out. Trace this bird twice on each piece of paper. Cut down the birds. Draw an eye on each. প্রত্যেকটার কাছে তোমাকে একটা আই আঁকতে হবে. This is an eye. This is an eye. Second one, put glue on one side of a bird. Put glue on one side of a bird. Lay a piece of string across it. Place another bird on top, so the string is inside. Repeat with the other papers, birds and pieces of string. Tie the strings to the hanger. Tie the string to the hanger. Okay, dear students. Now again I read out. Please listen carefully and read with me. Make birds on strings. You will need a hanger, 3 pieces of string, 3 pieces of colored paper, scissors and glue. Number 1. Trace these birds twice on each piece of paper. Cut down the birds. Draw an eye on each. 2. Put glue on one side of a bird. Lay a piece of string across it. Place another bird on top, so the string is inside. Repeat with the other papers, birds and pieces of string. Tie the string to the hanger. তাহলে আমাদের কি করতে হবে? এই স্ট্রিং, বার্ড অন স্ট্রিং বানাতে গেলে আমাদের কিছু এলিমেন্টস দরকার. সেজন্য তোমাকে বাড়ি হতে একটা হ্যাঙ্গার, 3টা দড়ি এবং 3টা কালার অফ পেপারস নিবা, সিজার, কাঁচি এবং আঠা. তারপর কি করবে? পেপারগুলো কাটবে, 2বার কাটবে যাতে বার্ডগুলো আঁকতে পারো. তুমি ট্রেস করে নিবে কলম দিয়ে, পেন্সিল দিয়ে. তারপর আঠা লাগাবে, তারপর রশি লাগাবে, তারপরে কোথায় বাঁধবে? হ্যাঙ্গারের সাথে. ওকে, you will try at your home, of course. So dear students, take your khata and pencil. Okay, take your khata and pen and write down. Sorry for disturbing electricity. So dear students, please take your note or copy khata and pen and find out the best answer. Here is the 3 answer, alternative 3 answer. You have to choose the best answer. Which one is the best answer? I will give you 5 minutes. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Have you finished? I think you have finished. So please, if you are right, please put tick mark on your copy. So check your answer. First one is make birds on where? Strings. If you write, please put tick marks. Second one is trace this bird. Trace this bird twice on each piece of paper. How many times? Twice. And third one is tie. Tie the strings to the hanger. Okay, brilliant students, lovely students. You are very good. Now, please have a look. I have written here two jumble words. Please rearrange the letter so that the make sense the words. What the words? Please try to guess. Please close your books and find out these words. Rearrange the letter by rearranging the letter. I think you can find because you have already read out from this text. Okay, have you finished? I think you say, yes ma'am, I have finished already. Am I right? Okay, all right. Now have a look. What's the words? First one is O-R-S-C-I-S-S-S. How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many letters? You have to count, because if you drop one letters, you don't arrange the words, then it is not make sense. So please have a look. What is this? Scissor. What is this? Scissor. So please write down with me. This is the words scissor. I rearrange the letter and it is makes sense, scissor. And another words is, what is this? This is the pieces. This is a pieces. Please write down you also with me. So first one is scissors and second one is pieces. Scissors and pieces. This is the jumbled letters. You have to make the words so that it makes sense, because you have already learned from your books. So I think that in the meantime we have already completed our text, how to make string on a birds on strings. We need some elements to make these birds on a string. We need scissor, 3 colors of papers, hangers, glue and pencil and also scissors. Okay, then we can make the birds on a string. You will try at your home and make sure me if you complete or not. Okay, or also you show your parents and keep it at your home. After opening your school, you will show your teacher. Okay, now I have a homework for you. So what you will do? Write 5 sentences how to make it by of your own. How to make it? Write 5 sentences. How many sentences? 5 sentences. How to make it? So I think I have a message for you. Never tell a lie. Never tell a lie. Always try to speak truth. Happy learning. Never hesitate to WhatsApp me if you need any query, or if you want to show homework, please WhatsApp me by this number. Okay, till then you will stay at home and wash your hand frequently, and see you soon next class. Okay, thank you, bye bye.